Ang mga pelikulang nagawa natin, may extra lang ako ngayon dahil this will mean something to my children. Pag nilook up nila, dinugang nila, ay mommy ko part ng The Caretakers, mapaproud sila kasi it was trying to say something. It will mean something for the future generations. So, yung challenge na nag-harness ako, kasi madaling araw na rin yun but nag-harness. Harness ako, tapos yung emotional baggage lang na ikaw yung nakapatay sa sarili mo. Medyo yun sa akin, mabigat, no? Oo. So, nung time na yun kasi we were all in the same space, no? And nung i-harness na ako, it's not easy for me kasi takot po ako sa heights. Pero kasi may mga bagay kang lulunukin para sa trabaho talaga. Isipin mo, kasama yon. Pero buti na lang, hindi talaga nila binali yung kamay ko, Kuya Alan. Kasi nung pinapanood ko kanina, nung nag-dubbing ako, wala pang effects direct, di ba? So hindi ko pa kanina, na-impress ako. Sabi ko, oh my God, nakakatakot pala ako sa pelikulang to. Hindi ko na-realize, but I guess, yeah, di ba? Sabi ni Isa, girl, as Linda Blair ko, sabi ko, wow, feeling na feel ko talaga. Pero ako, I feel very blessed because even while we were shooting it, Kuya Alan, I'll tell you, hindi ako natakot na parang mahuhulog ako doon. No. I know Rain Entertainment. I know Regal Films. I know there's nothing for me to worry. Ingat pa ako doon, matagal pa ako doon, ganun pa ako doon. I have full trust. It was not a challenge to shoot the physical things. It was more a challenge for me to make sure na yung mukha ko hindi magbigay ng inkling sa inyo. Yun ang pinaka-challenge sa akin.
Thank you, Dimples. Kay naman, Isa, tanong ko lang kasi rest, diba? Personally, yung how you work on yung inyong relationship dito as ang character ninyo.
As an actor.
Para kasing para kayong love team dito, di ba? Para kayo yung nagdala ng movie. Pero paano nyo winwork on yung inyong parehong tandem dito bilang The Caretakers?
Siguro I'll talk about her not just as an actress, but beyond. I think, nakakasalamuha ko naman si Dimples mangilang beses na sa industriyang ito. We briefly worked together in a series for Dreamscape. She played young Susan Roses, I played young Pilar Pilapil. It was brief. Alisin ako maalala Sabi ko, hindi work na tayo. Pero nangyayari yan kasi, kami nga ni Dennis Trill, sabi ko, hindi ba tayo nagka-work? May nag-post, may scene kami sa Etheria, mali ako. Alam mo, hindi mo na, sometimes hindi mo na maalala But I remember that. And then, she actually played my mother in the story. So weird to say this. In the story of my life for MMK before, when they did it we were launching Biggest Loser, they wanted to do it, and then she played Mary Ann. So I visited the set. I remember talking to her briefly, a few things, she would ask me questions. If you have any questions, I'll tell you a little bit about my mother. Things that were not said in the script, ganyan. And then, over the years, I would see her in social gatherings. And it was always just hi and warm and ganyan. And it was always just that. And then finally, we got to work together. Hindi kami tumitigil, chumika.
Very difficult.
And very me. So, the dynamic duo of chika. Yun lang. Hindi ko nga alam paano to natapos nila Shogo Kasi ang dal-dal talaga namin. Pero beyond that, she has this wealth of experience in being a mother. That I come humbly asking for tips, for experiences. I just want her to tell her story because you just pick out naman what you can, diba? And then na-enjoy ko yung kanyang energy at na-inspire ako sa kanyang pagiging businesswoman. Girl, this woman works hard. You work really hard. I admire you for that. Hindi kasi everything that you have now, you have worked really hard for. And nobody can contest that. And as an actress, fellow actress, syempre meron kang, paano kaya to?
Sana cooperative. Kasi ako, kilala ko ang sarili ko. I know how I am. So I know that I will give. Yes? I will come to you. I will ask you first, do you need me? And I will seek for help when I need help. So I didn't know how she would be as a co-actor. And I remember that scene sa Silong, sabi ko lang sa kanya, Dims, gumanon ako. Kasi kinailangan ko siya at that moment. Nagbigay siya. Inallow niya ako to share that energy because I needed her in that moment. I needed to feel present in that moment. And you helped me a lot, so thank you. So, you know, and that to me, that is what you feel when you watch something. That is the magic of acting. For me. So, I am very grateful. Nakita natin kanina si Jody, one of my favorite co-actors, Sunshine Dizon. Ilalagay na kita sa listahan na yun. Yes. Kasi, hindi maramot. Alam mo yun, nakipagsayaw sa akin. So, yun ang aking experience working with Dimples. So, yun. Easier when you're younger because you have so much time. But when you get older, you have so much on your plate. So for it to get deeper will take a lot of conscious work and will take a lot of, even if we are not in the same space hanging out, you know, you can count on me and I can count on you. I think ganun lang siya kasimple. So I think, I would like to think that we have become friends through this project na yung hindi lang, hi, hello, how are you? So, and I am grateful for that. Yeah.
Thank you so much.
So happy birthday to you.
Sa newfound friendship na nabuo. Thank you so much, Kuya Ana. Next.
Because, you know, tama po si Iza. Siyempre, alam mo naman, Sir Jun, yung mga kaibigan ko, sanay kasi ako sa mga kaibigan ng mga superstar. Diba? And Iza is a superstar. For me, before working with her, she's, yes, Mama, you're a superstar. You had forgotten you're a Mihan, huh?
Yes.
Teka, yung pagka-superstar, a little bit of bold star daw, sabi niya. Sabi ko kanina, Iza, huwag kang gigil. Ba-viral tayo dyan.
Triangle of happiness.
Triangle of happiness. No, but ako kasi, having been able to experience friendships with Angel and Bea and now Iza, I feel very blessed that I get to work with such big stars and big energies like themselves and yet so grounded. Yun yung pinakamaganda sa lahat ng nangyaring ito. Na alam mong nagniningning siya, malaki yung pagtingning niya, pero hindi niya ipinaramdam sa'yo na malaki siya. Yun yung importante sa akin. Oo, kasi hindi sa ganung bagay. Pero totoo po yun na parang pinag-adya ng pagkakataon na kami ni Iza ay naniniwala po kasi ako sa perfect timing. Wala akong pinipilit na mga bagay. And thank God when sina Direk Hina, Direk Philip, and Direk Shugo had approached and said, this is finally happening, this is with Iza Calzado. And I was like, wow, sino ba naman ako, diba? Buriin mo mga katabaw mo, si Iza, I feel so blessed. Dahil ang roots ko ever since naman po ay support eh. That was my roots. Up until, of course, dumating na lang yung mga kontrabida roles and then it became a different path. But even after those roles, I still go back to my support root. That's where my heart lies all the time. Because I feel that in this business, if you are able to collaborate with all kinds of stars, budding star, bigger star, smaller star, there are no small roles, only small actors. So, the energy of Iza was very timely for me to experience at this point in my life because I needed a refresher on motherhood. I needed to feel a new mom energy to come into my life and tell me, huy, kahit matagal ka ng nanay, there's much more to learn. And for me, that was the most humbling experience, to have her energy and see her so excited to see Dea, so excited to talk about her, talk to her over the phone, and this tells me, Dimples, kahit na 21 na si Cal, kahit na 9 na si Alonzo, now that you have Elio, this is a new path for you to take. Minsan po kasi pag matagal ka na ng isang bagay, katulad ng pagiging ina, may pagod na siyang dala. Meron ka ng frustration na dala. Pero normal yun kasi dinadaanan natin yun. At sabi siguro ni Lord, ay, pagkabuhin ko kayo ni Iza, kasi wala kang time magkipagkaibigan ngayon, di ba? So ilagay ko yung mga pwede mong maging kaibigan sa trabaho para masaya. Oo. So sabi ko, ay, ang ganda, Lord, thank you para sa regalo ng isang Iza. Kasi every time she would say, I always ask tips from you. Ang hindi niya alam, I always watch her, kahit na medyo tulog po ako, kasi lagi po akong tulog sa set. Opo, lagi kong iniisip, ganito ko nung tusikal. Ito ko dapat ngayon kay Ilio. And much as Iza thinks I get to help her with Dea, what she doesn't know is she's actually helping me heal all of my frustrations that have already accumulated over time because Cal is now 21. I have been renewed as a mother because of her new energy. Yeah. Thank you, Mama. Happy birthday to you.
It's